Hey y'all, it's Sydney. If you new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Cool. So today I'm gonna show y'all a little bra shopping video. And I got 4 bras, 7 pair of underwear for $25. And I'm gonna show you how you can too. So I got the Ambrielle full coverage release. It's a 38 double D. The original price was $39, but it came down to $7 or so. Okay, so this is another. I think they're all Ambrielle actually. This is another one. This is a 3060, and originally 42. They marked it down to 25. Then it took another 40% off, so this one was like $8. So it's very full coverage. Like, yes, this is Judy. So I wear a 38 double D. So like this bra right now, like everything is sitting. Like you can't even tell I wear a 38 double D. Like they sit in. Like I wish I could show y'all. Like this is the pattern for the other one. Cause that don't have the pink sticker on it, but look, they sit in. Okay. And then here is the purple one I got. And this by Ambrielle as well. The 38 double. And this one has the $8 sticker up there. So if you're familiar with jcpenney, the pink sticker is the lowest price it's going to be. And as you can see with the other one, you have a green sticker. So they didn't get around to marking it down. So that's why you see it's 25 instead of the lowest price. So, and then the 4th bras on me, I got 7 pairs of underwear for $1.79. So this is the first pair, you know, bikini. So this is $5.99. It doesn't have a pink sticker, so it came down even lower. And these are, let's see, some red lace. Like I'm all about lace underwear. And the sticker says $4.19, and they marked it down again. But this was 65% off. So all the underwear I bought came down to $179. And here's another pair. Like, I'm really into lace. And like, I think these are just so cute. Like, you know it. Like, these are cute. You know, we have our periods. I gotta have some black underwear. Like, great. And then this is the other pair. Like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I showed you all 7 pairs. So I'm about to compare Walmart bras, Victoria's Secret, and jcpenney. So when I first started wearing bras, I was like a 34D, and I went to Victoria's Secret. I thought that was the thing to do. But paying $40 or $60 for one bra, like no. Like with Victoria's Secret, they have like the push-up part, and after a while, like it gets all jumbled. So after buying Victoria's Secret bras, I started going to Walmart. So this is my most recent Walmart bra. I've had it for 5 to 6 years, honestly. So it's time to go bra shopping. Like for real. And like as you can see, like it's like the material is very flimsy, honestly. And like every time I would wear my bra, like my shirts, like you can see like the lace through it. Like this, see how thin this material is? Now, this is more thick in quality. So originally this bra is 42. All of them around $38 to $42 originally. Like this, it's like it's not even I don't know. It's like it's padded, but it's not. Like this is a thicker quality on a bra, you know. Then we're gonna look at the back. Like you see how thin that is? Like it's legit thin. Over here, it's a thicker quality, like material wise. Like you can just tell the difference. Okay, over the summer, Walmart had underwear for $2.50. I was like, yes, like you can't find no underwear cheaper than that. Is a lie. Found these underwear for $1.79. Like you can't beat it. So what did I do? I shopped on the clearance rack. Y'all know I'm balling on a budget and I'm bougie. Shopped on the clearance rack. Like I found 4 bras. Most of them were $8 and $7. I had a $9 bra, 7 underwear for $1.79. So originally it would have totaled up to like $55. JCPenney, they have coupons. If you don't have a JCPenney card like I don't, you can get a 15% off coupon. But the thing with JCPenney is, if you use a JCPenney card, they give you 20 or 25% off your purchase. So get you a JCPenney gift card, so you'll get the full 20%. Plus, they have other coupons plus 15% off. So double those, and it'll help bring the total down. So you'll be paying like 30 to 40 something odd dollars. It's not gonna come down as low as mine did because your girl, she got connections, you feel me? So it's not gonna be 25 like mine was, but it will be at least 40. And that is the price of one bra, $42. So if you can get half this stuff for this price, you're still not doing bad, because everything should have came up to at least $200 and something. And the fact that I spent 25 and you could spend like 25 to 40 something, like you can't beat it. Like, come on, we being smart, we shopping on budgets. Like, what? It was time for me to go bra shopping. Let me add something in. I had bought a strapless bra from Walmart over the summer. Like it did really good. And like under the bra area, like it started caving, like folding under, and like slipping down on me. And like this is just like it's holding them up. Like it feels way more comfortable. Like for the price of these bras, I got one Walmart bra. Like you really can't beat it. You just gotta look through the clearance rack. Like that's all you gotta do. And if your JCPenney is big like ours is, they're not up to date with their clearance racks. So just have somebody scan it and you'll find a lower price than what it's actually showing you. That's what I had to do myself. And then they do have a buy one, get one free on their bras, or buy one, get one half on their bras. With their underwear, they do have buy two, get one free up there. So that's other sales that you shouldn't miss out on.